Durack offers advanced bore log and geotechnical testing to determine suitable mix designs on road rehab projects. In addition to this, during the design phase, our team can assist with optimising vertical and horizontal geometry to avoid loss of suitable existing pavement material where possible, and minimise large cut fills that may unnecessarily expose low CBR subgrades during construction, posing a risk to both the contractor and client. For the $5 million Isaac Regional Council project, the original design objective was to rehab and seal a 3-kilometre section of the Golden Mile Road with a 2-coat seal. The project presented several constructibility issues. The blacksoil foundation's low CBR values required potential subgrade replacement. There was an increased risk of wastage and material loss and weather-related risks, especially for stored materials in drains near cut boxes. The Durack in-house design team crafted an alternative solution that prescribed a shoulder widening at the existing road level, followed by recycling and increasing the existing pavement strength through in-situ stabilisation with 2% cement. Our revised pavement design reused the existing materials to minimise waste, increasing weather resilience and enhancing the pavement longevity. The design avoided the need for subgrade exposure and replacement by utilising and building off the existing formation, reducing the cost by 10% and the overall project duration by 30%.